Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons.
I feel like we haven't done this in a long minute.
We haven't. It has been a hot minute since we have together done a sit down. I did just record a how to pin trade online video, and if you haven't checked that out, you should check that out. I did that all by myself. We'll leave it linked up here and down below. But today, we have a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. And it's my Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
Like anything changes. Come on.
Garrett has, yours is coming, but his is not here yet. So we're gonna open mine because I can't wait any longer. And I think we could all use a little bit of Disney magic now. When you are seeing this, we would have originally been leaving for Disney today.
Yep.
So we're filming this on Monday, but tomorrow on Tuesday when this is coming up, we would have been leaving for Disney World, which is really, really sad because we were supposed to be staying at the Polynesian for the first time, and yeah, it's okay. We understand why Disney is closed right now. Everyone has to be cautious. We totally understand, and we hope that you are all staying safe and healthy during this time.
And distant.
And distant from everyone, exactly. But it's time. I just can't hold it any longer. Here is our Bibbidi Bobbidi box, and it's actually decorated for Christmas.
The holiday.
Garrett was like, why is it a Christmas box? They actually reached out to all of us and told us that some of us might be getting the Christmas box because I think with everything going on, shipments were coming late for their new boxes. So I got the Christmas box, which is still super cute. And who doesn't want a little Christmas magic as well? I love Christmas.
From what I can tell, this is the ultimate magic box, which retails for $119?
Yes.
Well, this is the ultimate magic box. There are a lot other ones at other price points. Use code TheLeffersons for $7 off your first box.
Yes.
And they have all sorts of them. Go check them out.
Yes.
And it's all sorts of price points. So don't think that this is one great big
No,
expensive
this
thing.
is the most expensive box that retails for $119, but I think the cheapest they have is a sparkle box, which is only $10.
Stickers.
So, and that's like stickers and magnets. So make sure to go check them out. $7 off your first box with the promo code TheLeffersons.
The Leffersons.
All right, I'm gonna open it up. Oh, and I see Figment. Here's the spoiler sheet, and there's Figment on there.
So the spoiler sheet is like the packing list.
Yes, this is gonna tell me everything that is in this box, but I'm not gonna look at that until the end. And then we've got the adorable Bibbidi Bobbidi sticker and all of the confetti, which is falling all on the floor.
I got stabbed by that the other day. I stepped on one and I thought I stepped on a nail.
They are sharp. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna kind of show you what I see, which is not much right now, but I do see something. I know exactly what this is. Oh my gosh, I know exactly what this is. It is so perfect that I wore this today. Okay, this was not planned. This was not planned. Of course, I'm wearing like my Marie ears that were from Lacey over at Lacey's Latest. I'll leave her Instagram down below. But look at this. It's a Marie Loungefly backpack. Oh my gosh.
I didn't know they made that.
This is so cute. Okay, I'll let you guys look at it. It's actually a little bit of a different shape than the normal Loungefly backpacks. But you can see it's got Marie right there. And she's kind of like,
Fluffy.
She's fluffy, yeah. She's kind of embroidered on, I think. And she's got this cute little bow.
And I'm not sure it comes across, but it is a denim. The blue is like a denim. It's not canvas. And then if you look real close on the zipper, it says Marie right there on the front.
So cute.
This is adorable.
It's so cute. All right, what's inside? Oh, adorable. Okay, so on the inside it says, bonjour.
Bonjour, Marie.
Bonjour, Marie. All in the inside. Oh my gosh, it's super perfect for with my little sweatshirt. I feel like I need to wear this all together right now. Look how cute I am. This is so adorable.
Look how cute
Oh my
I am.
gosh. Okay, I'm totally gonna, and it does have this little front zipper. I am totally going to be using this on my next Disney trip, whenever that is.
The straps are like leather and they're padded too. Sometimes the straps that come with the Loungefly are kind of uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So maybe these stand a chance to be a bit more comfortable.
Yeah, these are definitely padded. I like how they're like an off-white. This is super duper cute. And this is another backpack that I think would match with a lot of things.
Yeah.
I get really weird about Loungefly backpacks because some of the designs are so like out there, like this one, where it doesn't really match with a lot, but this is pretty neutral. Oh, I love it so much. Yay. Okay.
It smells new.
It smells new.
There's no price on it.
Well, we'll see. It'll say in the packing slip
Okay.
what the price is. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're off to an amazing start. What is next? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm getting a button. I believe this is probably from Parkbound Buttons. And it has Orange Bird on it.
Orange, you glad you're here?
Oh, it's so cute, and it has the flowers. I think this is supposed to represent Flower and Garden Festival, which kind of makes my heart sad because we were really excited to go.
And we ain't there.
But it's okay. I'm gonna bring this when it opens, and we're going to bring it to Flower and Garden Festival. I hope that they extend it through the summer because we're gonna go like the second that it says it's open, we're going.
That makes me really crave that orange thing from...
The orange slush,
Yeah.
the orange float at Sunshine
Terrace.
Tree Terrace
Yes.
and Magic Kingdom. We are obsessed with the orange cream float. Oh my gosh, so good.
We've had it, and then every time we've gone, we're like, and then we leave, and we're like, oh, we didn't get it. So this time,
it's so
really
refreshing.
gonna happen.
Thank you. I am obsessed with this.
It's really gonna happen.
I see a box, and I don't even have to look at the front, but I know that it is it's upside down. It is a Lilian Co, which I've only gotten one other Lilian Co from Bibbidi Bobbidi, and I absolutely love it. Let's see what this one says.
Oh, I like it. It comes in a bag.
I know the quote. I know the quote. I know the quote. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a silver, or it's like this is a silver one. So the last one I got was gold. It says, I don't know if you can see it here. It says, "You're braver than you believe." And if you know what this is from, it is from Winnie the Pooh. It is a part of one of my favorite quotes ever.
So it gives a little bit of background inside the car. You're braver than you believe. If there ever comes a tomorrow when you feel all alone, you can face that day because there's something you must remember. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. But the most important thing is you're never really alone. So on those days when you need someone to call for advice and you just don't feel strong enough, look inside yourself and know you're braver than you believe. And that's perfect for what's going on right now.
That is perfect for what's going on right now. I'm like tearing up.
And she never cries.
No, but
She
it's
doesn't
like,
cry.
I've been like, calm down.
You okay?
Yeah, this is really, really sweet. Thank you so much, Bibbidi Bobbidi. I'm gonna put it on right now. I have been like having like really bad anxiety from all of this. Garrett can attest to all of that, and so this is like, yeah, this is pulling at the heartstrings today. Thank you very, very much. I'm obsessed with this.
She didn't put on her waterproof mascara, so she's
I
like,
didn't, so I'm like
gotta shut
containing
it off.
myself. I barely put makeup on today. I just put on a mascara today, and it just felt so good to put makeup on. It felt good to do my hair. If you guys are struggling, shower, put makeup on, do your hair. It did make me feel a little bit better today.
I put on cologne.
Really? Oh, you do smell nice. Okay, what else is in the box? Oh my gosh, this is so
That's cool.
cute. Okay, I'm getting a magic band. If you've never been a Bibbidi Bobbidi subscriber, they do customize to your preferences, which I guess we did not mention, which is perfect because I'm getting Marie, I'm getting Winnie the Pooh, it's perfect. Another thing is you can choose if you want magic bands in your box, and this is a super cute magic band, which I have never seen before. It is like a navy blue, and it has all of these Mickeys all over it, and they kind of look like they're splattered in paint almost, don't they?
Yeah, I would
wonder
say
if
it's like
it's
Festival of the Arts, but it isn't branded as Festival of the
No,
Arts.
it's not branded as Festival of the Arts, but it kind of looks like it is.
If a product does come from the parks, it does come with this little sticker on the back, and it says Parks Resort Exclusive. So that's kind of Bibbidi Bobbidi's way of saying, yo, this is legit from Disney.
Yes. And I love this. I love this so much. Now I just want to, this is just making me want to go to Disney so bad.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I'm like, this is what I needed right now. This is what I needed. Okay, is there anything else in the box?
That's it.
That's it. Okay, yay. This was an amazing box. Well, I've never cried over a box before.
She hasn't.
So
She doesn't cry.
I'm actually not a very emotional person, and I've been really emotional lately, so.
All right.
This is great.
So I'm going to read through the items on the packing sheet, the spoiler slip. So the Lilian Co. stackable bracelet silver Pooh Braver Than You Believe retails for $32.
I love it.
The Loungefly Marie Denim Mini Backpack retails for $65.
Oh, that's nice.
Which is about right for a
And I
Loungefly
love
bag.
this. I seriously love the color. I love everything about it.
Disney Parks exclusive limited release Magic Band Ink and Paint Mickey Paint Splatter Magic Band retails for $30.
I feel like you would like this one too.
I was about to say I'm gonna steal that.
I guess it doesn't have anyone's name on it yet, so you could link it to yours too. We'll see.
That's my part of the box. Thanks. Thank you, Bibbidi. And finally, Parkbound Buttons Orangeburg
Yes.
Glad You Here retails for $4, which brings our grand total to $130.99.
The box retails for $119, so we are getting more than what we paid for this box, and it was such an amazing box. I think my favorite item has to be this, but I seriously loved everything. What was your favorite?
The Magic Band, because it was for me.
Because it was for me. I do really like it though too, but I feel like it could be for either one of us, which I also like.
Honestly, I like the Lilian Co because that was perfect.
It was.
That was just a perfect little bit for you. And there's so many awesome poo quotes.
Oh my gosh. Well, thank you guys so much, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, for this amazing box. You'll have to stay tuned to see what Garrett gets in his Bibbidi Bobbidi box this month. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite item is. And please let us know how you guys are doing. Let us know how you are doing. If you got your Bibbidi Bobbidi box this month, let us know what you got in your box.
Now is the time to order that little bit of magic.
I
So
know.
go check them out.
We can't get to the parks right now,
No.
and this is like the closest thing to the parks. You are literally getting merch straight from the parks.
So go check them out. Use code the Leffersons, like we said, for $7 off your first box.
Yes.
They're still shipping things out. They're running on all cylinders.
Yes.
Go check them out. Get it done. It is amazing.
It is so amazing. And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. We will have some pin unboxings coming up, some more Disney vlogs coming up. We have a lot of Disney vlogs to catch up on. So I hope that
We're getting there.
You guys are getting a little bit of touch of Disney magic watching our Disney vlogs as well. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.
See you later.